Hello everyone, my name is Logan and welcome to Product Lately with Corso. Today, I'm excited to share some new functionality around shipping policies, return locations, and new support of multiple shipments. So let's jump into it. To start, we're going to go down to our shipping policies here, and you'll notice it looks a little different. We have return locations here as a section at the top, which allows you to add as many return locations as needed in order to support your returns flow and platform within Corso. So we have the ability to add as many of these as we need. We can come in here and look at, add a name, custom signer name and information here as needed, the shipping name, and add the address in here as needed there. We can create as many of those as we need, and then jumping down here, the cool thing is that we can now leverage any of these return locations as part of our return shipment policies. And so an example here being, you got a US shipping policy, and then we know that the return location is going to be set as a specific location. You can determine which return methods are allowed, and then here you can leverage our powerful rules and automations engine in order to be able to select in what scenarios this policy should apply. So in this scenario, if the order country was the United States, then this is the United States or the US shipping policy, and it applies as such. You can add all sorts of different things, right? You can do it by customer, you could do it by product, where maybe certain products have certain policies, and then also even down to reasons, where maybe a customer selects it's a defective item and maybe you want to send it to a particular location in that scenario, which is all supported now within this functionality. So we're really excited about this. It made sense to leverage our automations rules and engines within our returns policy, so we're excited to kind of showcase that. The other thing I wanted to mention is our multiple shipment capabilities here. So if I jump into a claim, you can see we've got our shipment that was created over here, and in some scenarios, you may need to generate an additional shipment. And we can do that now by clicking the plus button. You could determine the from and the to. So if it's, it's already in your location and you're in your returns location, maybe you need to send it over to a manufacturing location or maybe a repair shop. You could do that here. You can select which return or method you'd want to be able to ship that. So let's change it to the shipping label, and you can put in your approximate weight and actually come in here and generate a brand new label, whether it's just to utilize yourselves or to provide to the customer. In any kind of given scenario, you can select the rate and then go ahead and create that. Once you create this in here, you'll see on the claim that we actually now have 2 shipments, and you can toggle between those as needed. So a couple things really, again, kind of focusing on, return locations, shipping policies, and then labels. Some really cool functionality that we've just released. We continue to release lots of functionality. We'll continue to try to update you all within our Product Lately videos, but I hope this is helpful. Thanks. See ya.